As you guys know, I do have the eBay front carbon fiber lip, which is discontinued in carbon fiber. He's willing to make a limited run of like 10 to 20. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going across the border to Mexico to pick up some carbon fiber parts. I currently have Marissa helping me take my bags to the car.
The heavy shit.
I'm pretty hyped because these are parts that I've been wanting for a really long time.
Stupid to go out driving when it hasn't. I'm trying to use my words. Don't die.
I won't. Yeah. Bye.
Es lo que eres.
Qué show. ¿Cómo andas? What's this?
Estamos haciendo un black wiper coat para Supra.
It was that mod, huh?
Sí, güey.
Yeah. I remember. I think I have the same poster. Wait, so you're gonna do the roll bar for the spiders?
Ya existe.
You already made them. Okay, hiciste el molde.
Y va a tener una plaquita cada spider, cada roll
So
bar.
it's gonna have the plaque, the carbonetics plaque.
Spider light bar.
Damn, that's sick.
Person. Person.
Oh shoot, it's like a bunch of cars. Right-hand drive Sylvia turbocharged, so I'm assuming it has the SR in there. I think that's a Reno. I'm not too sure on the brand. I've never really seen these in person in other video games, but kind of cool to see these kind of cars, especially in the US. You don't see these at all. So this is a Toyota Yaris GR. I guess they don't exist in the United States. I know we have the Corolla. I didn't even know they made a Yaris version. It's all-wheel drive también? Oh damn. What about this? Is this front-wheel drive? These exist in the US or no?
No, es igual nomás Mexa.
Just Mexico. Oh wow.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sergio from Carbonetics.
I'm Bro from Roll Art and LAG Designs.
So today we have two surprises for you guys. Number one, this is the second G DSM high-rise spoiler extension. So we have a new brand. It's called LAG Designs. So with this brand, we're gonna put special attention on fitment. So we have a new spoiler. It's our first piece on this new brand. It's for the 3000 GT.
The reason that it's going to have perfect fit It's because we are 3D printing and designing with computer-aided design. The whole process begins with the reverse engineering. We do the 3D scan for the car. For example, for the 3000 GT, the parts are CFD optimized. CFD is computer fluid dynamics, virtual wind tunnel to enhance aerodynamic properties.
Oh, it's aero tested basically.
Yeah, aero tested.
Gotcha,
Exactly.
Okay. What you guys made here, the combat wing is usually flat, correct?
That's right.
So you're saying you made this based off a aerodynamic test to make it aerodynamic at high speeds,
That's
or
right. The biggest difference from the OEM part,
Right.
which actually the OEM part is aero functional, but it's a really I don't want to say simple,
Right.
but it's like a bit more basic profile.
Right.
The important thing about aero is this profile, this airfoil profile. The one in the OEM 3000 GT, it's flatter, so it doesn't have a lot of downforce. That's because it was designed for a car that was 286 gentleman agreement horsepower, wider, but only at the center, the same width as the original, so that the side supports
right would fit.
would be the most similar to the OEM. I myself have a 91 Stealth twin turbo.
Okay.
So I understand that the community loves it.
Yeah, the
so
combat
we really try to like
Enchants
bring
it basically. Yeah.
bring it like a little bit more into our times, like
Modernize it, yeah.
Modernize it, exactly. But still keep it looking like a combat wing. You know, the purpose is to enhance for the already modified and high horsepower cars out there.
When you guys ship out this stuff, does it come out like this, or is it all in one piece?
No, like this, because
Like that.
if we send it all in one piece, it's gonna be way more risk in shipping.
Yeah, with shipping.
Also,
Got it.
because of the painting,
Yeah.
you may wanna
paint the sides.
color match the sides.
Right, and then do
but
this
not
carbon.
the carbon. So
Right. So pretty much spent the whole weekend here with Sergio from Carbonetics. We're about to start heading back out across the border. I'm gonna go visit fellow DSMer for a quick video with him, and from there we'll go back home, install this 2G Eclipse high-res extension, and then I'll go ahead and do a separate video, guys, for you guys for the 3000 GT combat wing from Lag Design. So pretty hyped either way. A lot of stuff coming soon, and I'm just excited. That's that dude. How you doing?
good, you?
This is a 99? Oh, 97 GSX, 99 GSX. You built this back in 2000. Oh, back in 2000. So this is like, that was your first car, like when it really came out of the dealer? Okay. And then we have another GSX shell, fully caged here as well. So stay tuned for that video. Should be coming out soon. It's going to be dedicated to this one right here. So the carbon fiber gurney flap for the 2G high-rise wing is officially installed. I've never actually seen a 2G with one of these in person. It's pretty sick. It gives the rear end a nice touch. Of course, it does depend on your style. I do have the carbon fiber high-rise as well, so it is going to give it a completely different look to someone that has a full color. So Carbonetics does offer these in full carbon or fiberglass of your choice. They just came out, so they're barely being offered and they're now in stock. We'll be making a separate video installing this thing. We are going to have to get it wrapped in the Avery Carmine red for the blades. I will be ordering the wrap to wrap the wing for it today. So as far as the 2G, I do want to give you guys a very special announcement. This is something that I've been trying to do with Sergio from Carbonetics for a very long time, and I kind of need to gauge your guys' interest because this is going to take a lot from my side to be able to make it happen. So as you guys know, I do have the eBay front carbon fiber lip, which is discontinued in carbon fiber. He's willing to make a limited run of like 10 to 20 carbon fiber lips for me that I would be selling through Race Legacy because it's going to be a collab between Miguel DSM or Race Legacy and Carbonetics. Now, if I gauge enough interest from you guys to buy a carbon fiber lip, if you guys haven't seen it, it's on eBay. It's $100, but no one offers the carbon fiber version, and it would just look sick on a lot of our builds. So if you guys do want that to happen, let me know in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram because I would basically have to put the upfront payment to make the mold, to make a couple of them, and of course I would have to bring them out from Mexico and ship them out myself for you guys. And of course he did tell me to gauge interest for my Evo guys as well, so I could replicate something very similar to this lip, which is also discontinued for my Evo guys. So if you guys are interested in the Evo 9 front carbon fiber lip, to me these just look super clean, super simple, so it would pretty much be a limited run. Once they're sold out, they're pretty much gone. Now of course I'm mainly doing this because I want a front carbon fiber lip for both the DSM and my Evo, but if I'm able to help a couple other DSM guys by getting more made, then you guys let me know. But either way, huge shout out to Carbonetics for the gurney flap and to LAG Designs for the VR4 combat wing that we will be installing super soon. I'm super excited as the cars are coming together. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.